Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a long-lasting makeup base. First, proper skin preparation is key. Begin by thoroughly cleansing and moisturizing your face. This creates a smooth, hydrated canvas for your makeup. Next, apply a high-quality hydrating primer. Let it absorb for about 1 minute before moving on. This crucial step helps your makeup adhere better and significantly extends its wear throughout the day. Now let's talk about foundation. Opt for a long wear formula and apply it in a very thin layer. Using a damp beauty sponge or a dense foundation brush will help you achieve an even, seamless blend. Remember, less is often more. Build up coverage gradually in areas that truly need it, rather than applying a thick layer all over. This technique prevents your base from looking cakey and helps it last much longer. After foundation, it's time to conceal and set. Apply a full coverage concealer to any blemishes or under-eye circles, blending it seamlessly. Then, use a translucent setting powder to lock everything in place. Focus your powder application on your T-zone, which includes your forehead, nose, and chin, and any other areas prone to oiliness. This step is vital for preventing shine and ensuring your makeup stays put for many hours. Finally, to truly lock in your look, a good setting spray is essential. Mist your face evenly with a long-lasting setting spray to melt all the layers together and create a durable finish. For touch-ups throughout the day, carry blotting papers to gently absorb any excess oil without disturbing your makeup. Remember, try to avoid touching your face frequently, as this can transfer oils and break down your carefully applied base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.